So a warm welcome to all of you who join us on this snowy night for a game that could turn out to be a real wintertime treat. It is a hot ticket on a cold, cold night, and conditions will be testing. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. It is a monster matchup, Jim Bentley.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe...
He's had a hit! And he's done it!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Well, from the moment he got...
Correa! Oh, denied brilliantly!
Correa really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Inter Milan with the corner, they're first. Marquinhos with the clearance. Paris Saint-Germain are looking to go forward now. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Now there's a fine... Zalewski! That is decidedly lacking.
Well, it was hit with great power, Peter, but sadly not great precision.
Short changes him with that pass. Correa. DiMarco showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Taremi, he's going for goal! He's got away with one there. It's their second corner of the game. DiMarco with the short one.
Great chance!
Oh, he has leathered that.
Yeah, it didn't come off, but you can praise the drive and the application. It was beautifully hit.
Oh, he's been caught napping. Oh, this is a...
Oh, shooting chance! He scores! They are right back in business.
Well, that's something that'll make the manager proud, because they dug in deep then and they've got their leveller.
Terrible error, duly punished. That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, this is to be expected, Peter, when you've got two strong teams of fairly equals.
And the shot! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And now a sudden chance to counter. Zalewski. Vitinha. DiMarco. Ashlani.
Belts one.
Vitinha. Kvaratskhelia looks to get on the end of this. And it's Dembele.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
And he shoots!
Oh, split-second reaction.
Hakimi clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
Mendes goes short. Inter Milan have the chance to go the other way. Correa.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Vitinha. Dembele. Oh, they could break here. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So half-time, and it is all square. Neither able to pull away from the other, but that is not due to any shortage of effort on either side. It's a goodish game, this, and at half-time, it's one each. Reflections on the first half?
It's been a really good watch, but I think the managers will be looking for that extra bit of organisation and focus now, just to try and get a little control on this game.
That's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly, and a goal each.
Substitution for Inter, number 11, Joaquin Correa.
The second half then, just getting going.
Inter are probably feeling relatively good about themselves, so I don't think the manager has seen anything to change in his half-time team talk.
Number 22, Mkhitaryan. Number 16, Frattesi.
Quick look, the big header! Smashing delivery, just didn't do enough with it.
That definitely had the element of surprise to it. Clearly came in when no one was expecting it, and it was drilled. He read that really well and stopped it.
It's gone for a throw-in. Inter Milan come out of the tunnel having undergone a change at half-time.
Well, I think this is probably a good time, Peter, to make ambitious change.
That's really well manoeuvred.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Zalewski.
Oh, great feat, that.
He's got away. Oh, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested.
71,550.
Throw-in. Zalewski. And he's intervened well there.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Tries to dink it through. And that is not finding anyone. Inter Milan, perhaps wondering what the best time is for their next substitution. João Neves, that is good pressure, just hounded him off it. Now it's Martinez. Taremi, now this could be a chance. Donnarumma can pick that up. Oh, there's a probing ball. That is a great pick out.
There's the shot! Goal! Paris Saint-Germain! And they get themselves in front!
Lacking for neither time nor space, it could scarcely have been more straightforward.
Well, his appreciation of space then was absolutely exceptional. A moving genius.
Paris Saint-Germain get themselves into the lead.
Look, I just think they've kept at it.
Has a shot! And that could have brought them level.
Oh, that's a great response, though, and it's a statement declaring that they're not done with this yet.
Oh, that's a key interception. Lee Kang-in. Oh, that looks a cracking ball. It's a throw-in. Nuno Mendes. He's got tall. It's loose, and there's a race, and he's following up! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. Bastoni. He's having a go!
3 minutes at a time.
And that is wildly off target. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Hakimi. Added time going up here. It's 3 minutes. Oh, it's Dembele. And we're done. Inter Milan can justifiably find this a hard one to swallow. They gave it their all, but ultimately... Well, the weather here today is not playing ball. We have heavy rain. The pitch underfoot may very quickly become soggy and difficult to play upon, and the players will soon be soggy themselves. It is more than damp, and this will examine the fibre of both sides.
He's having a go!
And he's managed to get rid. Oh, sweet feet.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
Fabian Ruiz. Bisek does well to get it back. Might be danger here.
There's the hit!
He's missed, but not by that far.
Well, the look on his face says it all.
Stefan de Vrij. Who do you, Jim, see making the difference here?
Well, Peter, Federico Di Marco is someone I consider to be an elite fullback. Even in Italy, where defending is an art, he's brilliant going in both directions, and he's got an impressive assist tally, And he's got solid defensive numbers too, so he really does make that left side his own, whether he's at left back or as a wing back.
Okay, interesting. Marquinhos. Vitinha. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Paris Saint-Germain have definitely started much the stronger. They're far more creative.
Vitinha! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
Vitinha must have been hit by a flash of doubt then. He complicated what looked like an easy opportunity.
Stefan de Vrij. Inter Milan were a team looking for an outlet, and it seems, Jim, as though they've found one.
Yeah, and if that allows them to get people running at and even going beyond that defence, then you can start asking more questions.
And they've got rid. That's a throw. João Neves. And now the hit! Chance to finish. Çalhanoğlu. He's got a side of goal! And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders. And that was asking just too much of him. Well, a goal here just before half-time could mean a great deal.
Footballing width usually identifies with running room, and we've just seen a prime example.
It's a loose touch and the ball is anyone's. Nuno Mendes. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Correa.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Dembele. Picked out brilliantly. Has a goal! There it is!
Look, there are always tactical adjustments for any coach to make at half-time, but when your star man...
And the referee brings the first half to a close. And it's a half which has simmered along nicely, warming up to what may be a more open second half to follow. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
At least, Peter, not conceding another goal has kept them in this game, and they can up their response in this second half.
Paris Saint-Germain head into the dressing room pleased with the thought that they have that all-important lead. Analysis to come during the break.
Substitution for Paris Saint-Germain. Number 7, Kvaratskhelia.
That gets things going for the second half.
Paris Saint-Germain.
Number 9,
Zalewski.
Number 19, Lee Kangin.
Paris Saint-Germain come out this half somewhat altered.
Well, we're certainly going to see a change in personnel. We'll see if the system changes with it.
Deftly away. Fabian Ruiz. Had a shot! He's got away with one there. Out to the left it goes.
Oh, that was expansive and incisive, the type of move to please any coach. That's just playing it safe and simple.
Oh, that's well spotted. Oh, it's Dembele.
Attendance for this match was
Your impression so far, Jim?
I think the manager's pondering his options as to whether to stick or twist, Peter, in view of the time remaining. He might have a tough call to make now.
Lee Kangin! And a terrific save from the keeper.
Lee Kangin really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Ashlani. And he's there to retrieve it. Now it's Correa. Looking for the run. Darmian in acres of space out wide. Lee Kang-in. That's good pressure, good intensity.
Yeah, they're certainly getting much tighter to him now. At least the message was received.
He won't be happy with that one. Oh, good spread.
Paris Saint-Germain surely have to be commended for their drive and desire. Most teams would be taking the easier defensive route by now.
Substitution.
Mkhitaryan looking to get on the end of this. Aslani.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack. That's positional goal, the utilisation of space.
Tries a shot! It's a goal! And there's the goal they've been looking for. Not a defender in sight. He had all the time in the world.
Well, the finish looked a guarantee once he was found all alone, and it's criminal defending.
So that's 2 now without reply.
Well, I think it's just the reward for their application. They've played with great courage to try and kill this off, and for me, it looks like they've just about done it.
It's a pretty loose pass. Barella. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Dumfries. And that's another good win of the ball.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Time added on. Gonzalo Ramos! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
And that is it. The referee has seen enough. It's a super show all round, both sides doing their best to impose themselves, but one evidently, undeniably better equipped than the other. Gonzalo Ramos taking in the accolades, having been named man of the match, and deservedly.